This is Charlotte before she gets her ear pierced. There's those ears.
Okay. I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing here first. I'm kind of getting ready.
Quiet. Stay over here, okay?
Okay.
Like one poke.
One poke in each ear. That's it. One poke.
One poke.
It's got to be like a pinch. Real fast pinch.
Okay.
Like what happened to my finger, Daddy?
Yes, it'll be real quick. But then, what happens afterwards? You have earrings.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means you have to be... You have to handle it. Just sit back and relax.
Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is going to clean your ear, okay? All right?
You don't want to be dirty because then the urine might get a little...
Well, we want to be sure it's nice and clean before we do this, okay? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to clean your ear. Okay? Going to clean the ear.
Right, move over here, please. Let's move out of the way, Mike.
And then this one. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little black dot on your ear so we know where the earrings went off, okay? Okay.
Stay back, Mike, please. She's going to need to walk around. Watch your head away.
Where exactly did you want it?
Where
exactly did you want it?
Like in the middle.
I guess a standard place for a girl to get it.
I'll put a dot here and you tell me if that's
Okay.
what you want because I can change it at any time, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
That looks
Yeah,
good?
it's in the middle.
Okay, now, hardest part of this, all of this, is trying to match the other ear, believe me.
What?
Okay, so I'm going to get the other one. Now, just look straight ahead, so I'm going to try to match it.
You want me to take a picture of that one?
Before we get it right, because everybody's ears are different. Alright, now that one's a little lower.
Yeah, that one's low.